been good to trip right away. Welcome back to Simon Says Garage. This time, I'm not very good. I should have been prepared. This is my wiring for the rat, so we can get some noises out of her and some burn out, some and some burn out. You know how it is. Now, you might be asking why I chose this particular kit. Was it the price? Was it because it was the best out there? What was your reason, Simon, for buying this particular kit? I'll tell you. It's called ZWiring, and I like things easy, so I hope it's not lying to me. Now I just gotta figure out where that all goes. How hard can it be? Ooh, bubble wrap. Well, that didn't work. Give that back. I got 12 circuits, is that enough? Comes with relays, a bunch of those things I don't know they are, and a lot of wire, way more wire than I probably need. How do I even mount this thing? I'll figure it out, I promise. I need to get a headlight switch yet.
Whoa, slow down.
I've decided I need to have everything on the car that needs to get hooked to a wire. At least the majority of it. Otherwise I'm gonna get confused when I start doing my easy wiring harness. So I'm taking a step back and prepping the car so I can take 3 steps forward. Fingers crossed. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I have this 50s Edsel dash. Edsel, just sitting in the backyard waiting for a project. What I do know is I need a light switch and I need a key for the, for that. This has both, even with the key in it. Seems like it should work to me. It probably won't though. It's probably a waste of my time. I'm gonna find out the hard way though. I don't even know what I need to take this apart. Yup. How do you suppose this all comes apart? Ooh, that black tape is crusty. Even in the 50s, they had a crap load of wiring. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't know what that's for. Don't need that. We're getting her whittled down here a little bit. The hell is this cable for? What does that do? Nothing, it's rusted. Now we're getting somewhere. Those just broke. Perfect. That one just broke. Even better. How do you come out of there? I can't even get the key in and out. Oh, I got it out. I wonder if it's gonna take a little, some WD. Oh, it's got a lighter. This can't be that difficult. Got that out. Now what? Now what do you do? Speak to me.
Some people don't believe a car can talk.
You're not speaking to me. Smart guy probably would have brought this in the night before, so it'd be nice and warm to work with. But no, not me. It is blasted cold. Cold, cold, cold. Oh, I wonder if I need different tools. It's doing something. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something. Woohoo! Woohoo! I figured it out. I wonder if there's a way I can test this so I know it works. Cross that bridge later. Just come out the same way? Yeah, no, maybe so. I don't know. The odometer goes to 120. That's kind of impressive. How do you come out of there? Oops, I may have broke it, but I got it out. We won't tell anybody about that. Doesn't spin. I didn't know if it's the right key for it. It's just the one that was in here. Oh, it went backwards. Once. One time it went backwards. Nope, there it goes. I'm gonna load it. Blah, 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 blah. Rewind. Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna load it up with some lube and let her soak. We'll see what comes of it. PB Blaster. Brakes rust faster. Let's find out. Is this gonna break it free yet wreck something else? Possibly. I don't know. I think I got more on the floor than I do in the hole. That's a start. It worked that fast. That brakes rust faster. That was pretty fast. We'll be golden. Just gonna go start my Model A with a Chevy Big Block in it with an Edsel key. Ew, there's some gross stuff coming out. I'm gonna let that soak for a while. I'm pretty happy with that. Now I gotta figure out how I can test a light switch. Can't be that hard. No, it cannot. I have a plan. Not sure what my odds are of it working or being successful or even accurate, but I have a plan. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Here's what I've learned. I found a headlight switch for a 58, well, I assumed it was a 58 Edsel. I don't really know. But what comes up is a headlight switch for a 55 to 57 Ford truck.
Close enough.
I don't know, must be the same thing. I'm going with it. All the letters seem to be the same. I think this is would be my power in if I'm getting a good enough connection. Whoa, stay. I don't think that's a good enough connection, but I don't know. So this is B, so I think this is what they call the bus, which I'm assuming is where all the power comes from. This is not a how-to on how to do this. This is just how I'm doing it. That worked out great. Stellar. So if that's off, all the ways in is off, right? Should be no power anywhere. Nothing, 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 nothing. Power there. So looking at this, that should be for the dome light. So I suppose that must send power to the door switch, and then that triggers whether it sends power there or not. Okay, that tells me I'm going in the right direction. Okay, what's next? Brake light switch. I don't have that one. I don't have an A. I have a P for parking lights. P for parking lights. Off, on, off, on. This is looking promising. Headlights. Yes! I got a free light switch. Running lights. And then this would be for my dash lights. That's a bit crusty, so not surprised that's not working. I'm sure that's supposed to do something. Which, whatever, I don't care. They'll either be on or they'll be off. I'm fine with that. Love it. Love it. Love it! Now, this has been soaking for a while. Works like brand new. Kind of brand new. Okay, it stopped working. Oh, there we go. Nope, stopped again. Maybe I'm pushing it in too far. She done wore out, I think. But gonna use it anyways. Lot of gunk coming out of there. Lot of gunk. Maybe we should spray some more chemicals in it. Brake clean should be fine, shouldn't it? Ah, I got it in the eye! Ah! Uh-oh, lost the key. Oh, found it. It's not perfect. Sometimes it turns, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why. Try some WD. Well, that sprays like after a rough night. Uh-oh. Oh, Mr. Key, where are you? Oh, found it. That wasn't so bad. So let's clamp you onto the battery source. And then the ignition side. We have ignition. Now, I should be able to clamp this. I think this is what goes to starter. I have a light switch and I have a ignition switch. It's perfect. All I had to do was dig in some snow in my backyard. I love it when things come together. The light switch looks like it works. The ignition switch looks like it works, and I have a key. So now I need to mount them in the car somehow. There's many ways I could do this, but this is the way I'm going to do it. Right or wrong, I don't know. Don't care. This is just how I'm doing it. Ugh. There's a plate that mounts behind here that keeps everything spaced and I don't know, there's springs and I don't know. There's something for it. I thought about just cutting this section of plate out and welding it in the car somewhere, but I kind of want to save this dash in case I want to do another project with it down the line. I don't know what, but you never know. So here's my idea. Don't know if this is going to work. I'm going to take this piece of paper. Oh, actually you can see that pretty good. I imagine it's going to be hard to draw. I bet this leaf might even work. Dirty leaf, paper. I now have a template. I surprise myself once in a while. Sweet! Now the question becomes, where the hell do I put it? I don't know the right answers, people. I just pray I guess right the first time. I think that's the best spot. Or here, or here. Should I put it on the passenger side? No, that's dumb. Dumb. I think this is really the only option. That's what we're going with. Look level. Look level-ish. Is there better ways to be doing this? I bet. Looks pretty good. As long as it's close, it'll be fine. Time for old Eagle Eye to come out. That's pert near center. That looks pretty good too. If not, I'll adjust. I'll make it work. I think it's gonna work. It's fine. Yep, it's fine. No turning back now. Woohoo! Mint. That was loud. Woo-wee. Looking pretty good. I mean, I need to open this hole up a little bit because it's just a smidge too small. But I say my template worked awesome. Yeah, I kick a couple old ideas out once in a while that work. Once in a while. Oh wait, does it even need to come all the way through? Let's have a look-see here. It doesn't even need to be changed. It's perfect. Where's the key? Where's the key? No! Wait, I had it in my pocket so I didn't lose it. I now have a light switch and an ignition switch. Hell yeah, rock on. Let's go. I think I'm gonna end this one here. This video has gone completely off course. It started out as me getting a wire in my car, and it turned into me putting a light switch in it, an ignition switch out of an Edsel dash, and I still haven't wired the car yet, but I feel like long enough. So I'll just save that and do that next. Is there anything else I need off of this? I don't think so, not today. Come on, out you go. Now I got leaves all over my floor. Perfect.